I'm here on the Continental stand at AERO talking to Oliver Lieber, VP of Sales Support at Continental, catching up on some of their products and their product lines. Oliver, hello. Thanks for taking the time to talk to me. So, I understand you have a new program at Continental called Fast Track.
Yes.
Can you kind of like educate me?
Absolutely, yes. So, we've realized that lead time is a big deal, right? People, when they schedule their overhaul, their replacement, they want options. So we started setting up our factory with multiple options.
Yep.
And are able to serve the customer with most models at a fairly competitive lead time. So the Fast Track program encompasses all our exchange program options, exchange engines for new, rebuilt, or overhauled from our US factory.
Okay, so what's the difference between rebuilt and overhaul? Sounds like the same thing to me.
Yep, well, so they're all on an exchange basis. So
Yep.
basically you as a customer, whenever you're ready, you reach TBO and you're ready for your new engine, you have an option, a little bit more economical option to have an overhauled engine from the factory that we overhaul in Alabama, or a new, which is built to new service limits, or a brand new engine as an exchange for your aircraft. We have lead times between as much as no lead time, like 1 day because we're in stock, so it's our in-stock program,
Wow.
up to like 75 days. So very, very competitive depending on how you schedule and manage your overhaul and engine installation and removal.
And so has that kind of developed over the last year? Because I know the whole industry was struggling a little bit with lead
Right.
times.
I think the whole industry has been
Supply
kind
chain.
of challenged by supply chain challenges,
Yeah.
right? So supply chain, parts availability, and so forth. So we really ramped up with our new factory in Mobile, Alabama, to really set up that we have parts available. We also started building engines so that we can react very quickly. So some engines are staged at various stages of the manufacturing, of the production, so that we can react. And again, it's not all models, but most popular models, we have provision for that.
So you've got a good internal parts stock from which you can...
Exactly. So it takes a lot of logistics, it takes a lot of time to kind of build up to that, but we're excited to kind of announce the program now because we have a lot of engines either in stock or readily available within a short lead time, up to 75 days or less.
That's fantastic. That's a significant improvement over some of the stuff that the whole industry was looking at a couple of years ago.
We believe so. We want people in the air, we want people flying, so
Yeah.
we do our part.
Aeroplanes without engines on the ground, they're not very productive.
We believe so as well. That's exactly right.
Yeah, and presumably the OEMs are getting all new engines, so you've got that market to take care of as well.
Correct. So new aircraft production obviously is all new. So this is the aftermarket. This is really for the customer that has an aircraft already, they're flying, they're reaching TBO. Time for a new engine. We have options for them available.
But tell me about prime engines.
Yeah, so prime engines, we're very excited about that. We want to serve the industry. There's a lot of customers that have different aircraft, different engines that are their aircraft. So we kind of went out there and said, okay, where's the need? Where's the need for options for the customers? Well, one of the big ones is the Cessna 172. So we developed the prime engine, which fits the Lycoming platform, specifically the L2A application in the Cessna 172S and select R models. So within our Fast Track program, we have engines available on an exchange basis for Lycoming owners in their Cessna 172s. The Prime IO370 takes care of that.
Okay, how long did that project take to bring around?
So we've been working on that for a few years. You probably know we do have replacement parts for those customers. We've had those for a number of years now. So we took the replacement parts, certified parts, and developed them into a full engine. With that, again, it gives the customer option. They can overhaul their existing engine, or they can replace it with a brand new Continental in their Cessna 172 at a competitive price and a short lead time.
And is that effectively a drop-in replacement?
That is exactly right. So we have the STC. So as a customer, you order the STC, which includes all your regulatory approvals for the aircraft, anything you need from a paperwork perspective, including the engine. And then it's an exchange program. You send us your existing Lycoming back.
And in the future, do you think that will expand to different engines?
Most likely, yes. So it's been very positive. We have good reception. So with that, we're already planning on what are the next options for that. We believe it's something the market wants. Customers want options, and that's what we want to provide to them.
Absolutely. The 370 is great for FAA, but I don't think it's quite done for Europe at the moment. Is that on your? That is part of your plan?
That is correct. Absolutely. So it's FAA certified. We have started validating in a lot of parts of the world. We already have New Zealand, we have Australia, we have Transport Canada. We have applied for EASA. So we can't wait for it. It's going to be very soon. So the application is done, all the paperwork is done. We're waiting for the approval.
That's an exciting development.
It is, and there's a lot of Cessna 172S models here in Europe, so those options will be available fairly soon from Continental. As Continental, we want to do our part. We want people flying. We want to serve the industry. We want to make sure that the industry stays healthy and the customers have options. That's really our mission.
Yeah. Oliver, thanks very much. It's been a pleasure.
Likewise. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.